Hello friends, myself H.S. Pandey from JNU Prayagraj. Now today we will discuss about the questions related to real number, that is part third. There is a question: find the largest number which divides 285 and 1249 and leaving remainder 9 and 7 respectively. Now this question you have to solve. How you have to solve? If during the CBSE board examination they is just whole statement, whole derivation, just I am giving you. Now solution of this much. First of all, you have to subtract 9 from 285. We have 285 minus 9, that is equal to 276, and 1249 minus 7, that is equal to 1242. Now we have subtracted this remainder 9 and 7 respectively from the given number. Now our aim is, here it is asked that find the largest number. Largest number, if such type of questions are given and it is asked to you find the largest number, it means the question is related, surely related to SCF. You have to find the SCF of 276 and 1042. The result which you get, that will be required solution. So now 1242, that is equal to, using by Euclid's division lemma, 276 into 4 plus 138. Now 276, that can be written as 138 into 2 plus 0. Now this much, here remainder becomes 0 in this is the second step. So the SCF of this much is, SCF is equal to 138. Now 138 will be the largest number, which by which if we divide 285 and 1249, then it will surely just leave a remainder 9 and 7 respectively. This was all about this question. Now the second question: what is the largest number that divides 626, 3127 and 15628 and leaves remainder 1, 2, 3 respectively? Here listen, here it is large. We have to find out largest number. Largest number, if such type of question are given, then and it is asked to find the largest number, then you have to think that it is a question of SCF. अगर लार्जेस्ट नंबर की बात इस तरह से किसी क्वेश्चन में की जाए, इसका मतलब हमको SCF निकालना है. सॉल्यूशन, we have given that 626 and 3127 and 15628. Now we have to subtract 1, 2, 3 respectively. Now 626 minus 1, 625. 3127 minus 2, that is 3125. 15628 minus 3, that is 15625. Now next step, we have to find out the SCF of 625, 3125 and 15625. हमें इन संख्याओं का SCF निकालना है और उनका SCF जो होगा वही लार्जेस्ट नंबर होगा, जो इन संख्याओं को, दी गई संख्याओं को डिवाइड करता है और 1, 2, 3 रिमाइंडर छोड़ता है. So we can use SCF by factorization method. 625, 3125, 15625. Now this is equal to 625 means 5 into 5 into 5. 5 25, 25, 125, 25, 625. Now 3125 means 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 1 more 5. 5 25, 25, 125, 25, 625, 25, 2125. Here 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 25, 25, 25, 25, 625, 25, 2125, 25, 15625. Now yes, CF of this much. Yes, CF that is equal to यहाँ पर ये 5 ये 5 फिर ये 5 कॉमन फिर ये 5 कॉमन फिर ये 5 कॉमन. Yes, one is now this is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, that is equal to 625. Therefore required number, therefore the largest number is equal to 625. The largest number which divides the given number and leaves remainder 1, 2, 3, that is equal to 625. इसके बाद हम इसको अंडरलाइन कर देंगे. परीक्षा के दौरान हम इसको पूरा डिटेल लिखेंगे. डिटेल लिखने के बाद उसका जो आंसर आएगा उसको नीचे अंडरलाइन करेंगे, जिससे एग्जामिनर बोर्ड में ये समझे कि बच्चे का यही रिजल्ट होगा. एक बार फिर से देख लीजिए. हमने तीनों संख्याओं को लिया 625, 3127 and 15628. उसमें से क्रम से 1, 2, 3 घटा दिया. घटाने पर तीन संख्याएं मिली 625, 3125, 15625. तीनों संख्याओं का फिर अलग अलग लिख करके हमने इसका फैक्टराइजेशन किया. हम इसको यूक्लिड डिवीजन लेमा से भी निकाल सकते हैं, लेकिन क्योंकि तीन संख्याएं इसलिए वो प्रोसेस लेंदी होगा, इसलिए हम तीनों संख्याओं का फैक्टर लिखे. उसमें से कॉमन फैक्टर को हमने एक साथ लिया. कॉमन फैक्टर को एक साथ लिख करके सबको मल्टीप्लाई किया. मल्टीप्लाई करने पर रिजल्ट आया 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, that is 625. This 625 is the largest number which divide 626, 3127 and 15625 and gives a remainder 1, 2, 3 respectively. Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 is a composite number. In the previous class I have told you that composite number is a number which has more than 2 factors. If such type of questions are given, first of all we have to simplify this much. Then we observe that whether the resulting number contains more than 2 factors. If the resulting number contains more than 2 factors, then the expression which is given here, that is composite, otherwise not. So for the solution, first of all we write expression 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. We have now this is equal to 13 taken as a common, 7 in bracket 7 into 11 into 1 plus 1. Now this is equal to 13 into 11 7 77 plus 1. Now this is equal to 13 into 78. Now this is equal to 13 into 2 into 3 into 13. Now this contains more than 2 factors, thus the expression contains more than 2 factors, hence the given expression represents कंपोजिट नंबर, कंपोजिट नंबर। यहां पर क्या है, दिया गया एक्सप्रेशन है 7 इंटू 11 इंटू 13 प्लस 13। हमने लिया इसको, इसमें से 13 हमने कॉमन लिया, ब्रैकेट में बचा 7 इंटू 11 इंटू 1 प्लस 1। नाउ 13 इंटू 7 इंटू 11 दिस मच 11 11 7 77 प्लस 1, 77 को हम 1 जोड़ेंगे तो 78 आ जाएगा। 13 इंटू 78, अब 78 का फैक्टर करेंगे तो 2 3 6 13 6 78 और 13 ही है। तो इस एक्सप्रेशन में हम देख रहे हैं कि इसमें मोर देन 2 फैक्टर है। इसका मतलब हुआ कि जब ये लास्ट वाला जो एक्सप्रेशन आया इसमें मोर देन 2 फैक्टर है, सो जो रिजल्ट ये है ऊपर वाला जो एक्सप्रेशन दिया गया है दैट इज ए कंपोजिट नंबर। इस तरह से कोई भी सवाल है आप चेक करें, चेक करके नीचे उसको दिखाएं कि इसमें क्या मोर देन 2 फैक्टर है कि उससे कम है। तो अगर मोर देन 2 फैक्टर है इसका मतलब कंपोजिट नंबर है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 2 brands of chocolates are available in pack of 24 and 15 respectively. If a boy needs to buy an equal number of chocolates of both kinds, what is the least number of boxes of each kind that he would need to buy? इस क्वेश्चन में कहा गया है व्हाट इज द लीस्ट नंबर। लीस्ट नंबर, जब ऐसे सवाल में लीस्ट नंबर आए इसका मतलब है कि हमें इसका एलसीएम जो भी प्रोसेस होगी उसमें एलसीएम की जरूरत पड़ेगी। यहां पर इन दिस क्वेश्चन हियर a box contains 24 chocolates, the other one contains 15 chocolates. We have a box, first box contains 24 chocolates, second box contains 15 chocolates. Now first of all we have to find out the least number of chocolates which will be equal one for both the kinds. So first of all we have to find out the LCM 24 and 15 with the help of factorization 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 and 15 3 into 5. Therefore LCM is equal to that is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, that is equal to 2 to the 4 to the 8, 8 to the 24, 24 to the 120. Now 120 is the least number of chocolates that the child have to bought, and 120 is the least number which will be equal in both the kinds, either in first kind or in second kind. 120 चॉकलेट की संख्या जो है वह एक कॉमन संख्या होगी जो 24 के लिए और 15 के लिए दोनों के लिए इक्वल करने के लिए आवश्यकता है। Now we know that the first box contains 24 chocolates, therefore number of boxes for first kind that is equal to 120 upon 24, 24 1 ja 24 5 ja, that is equal to 5 boxes. Second, number of boxes for second kind, here the total number of chocolates are 120 and the second box contains only 15, then 120 upon 15, 15 1 ja 15, 8 ja, that is equal to 8 boxes. Thus the number of boxes of first kind, number of boxes of first kind, that is equal to 5, and number of boxes of second kind, that is equal to 8. Now underline it so that the examiner will know that this one is the required solution.